You obviously see the monthly links here. But the key for you guys is to go to, like, for example, August, first day of school. Now, I will try to put some names here at the bottom. All that is referencing is a staff member that is going to do a short segment, like Mr. Hoskins is going to welcome on the first day of school, Ms. Coop, Brahmajan, so on and so forth. So, like, these are some of the names that we've got listed. So if you wanted to put something in to promote your program, there's a couple ways you can do it. Let's say, for example, you have something that you want to be showed on the 21st. You're going to click on this link. Now, everybody has access to these links. You click on the link and go to that folder, and it'll have that date. So this is 8/21. Now, please be mindful, everybody, all the staff members have access to this. So please be mindful that not to delete anything. If you notice, this is the start to the script that we use each day from our teleprompter and so on and so forth. And so let's say you want to add something. So basically, if you have a video that you want to add the video. You just go new, file, upload. Okay. Or let's say you just want to do a segment and there are some things that you want to promote. So let's say I'm going to go to Google Docs and create a Google Doc inside of that folder. Okay. So you can type up what you want, whatever the case may be. Let's say I'll put Hoskins here just as an example. And I'll just call it segment, right? Okay, cool. So that's there. And we have the segment there. And so that would be the segment. And then the student, several days prior, can look at that and we can get that going. If you need help, you need an interview, you need somebody to interview you, if you want someone to promote what you're doing, then that's where you can let us know. Just as a reminder, I'm going to show you one more time. You go to bit.ly / and this MEB content needs to be all uppercase. So it always starts you off with the FCPS calendar to kind of give you an idea. I just hit the Control+ button to zoom it in, and then you go to the day that you want. So if you want to do, like, for example, let's say today's the first day of school and we're on the 13th. Try to give us some time. Like, try not to put nothing on like the day after. Give us several days to get into our editing system. If it's video or photo, still images, give us some time to put the work in so we can make a really cool segment. And that's kind of what we're going to be doing through our digital classes. So that's the process on how to access the content folder. Again, feel free to put things in anytime. One last thing, I have added what's called image share. All that is if you have images you've taken that day that you would like to drop in that folder for, like, second day of school, you want to put some pictures in there, and and then what we'll do as a class is we'll go in and organize those pictures and put them in the right spots. So, all right, that's the process. So I'm excited about our news and how we can promote Mary E. Britton. Thank you.